Hello friends, I already created a login for this, or you can come to this particular site first. So this is how it will show the first screen, where it is the top menu is home, marketing tools, payment, settings and logout. This is the first screen which shows you all your referral links. This is an important link. This is unique to your uh, ID only. So this will I'll show you in our next setup settings also, how to create your unique link also. By default, this is what the link is created based on your name. Here it will show your basic commission structures and all other product commission offered on each products. Now here it is going to show you how many referrals you had already generated, like total 7 is generated, traffic is already for the 6, how many orders you got, how many conversion is been made. This is a particular period which will show, and traffic has come from which sources, like you'll come to know which sources it has come, like direct sources or Facebook it is showing, and all the details of the orders it will show you. Now let me go to the how you are going to share this particular uh, slides or videos. So here there is an option called marketing tools. I click on this, so you get this particular page, product links. So here all the products are displayed, all the media assets are displayed. For selecting particular segment you want to market, like you want to say general data recovery you market, you want to just market for DVR data recovery or budget data recovery or RAID. So I'll just select general data recovery. It will show all the images or media related sets which you can share it on Facebook or Twitter and other places. So here you can just see these three dots. You click on this. Here all the media has got these three dots. Okay, so you just click on this and you can directly share from here the Facebook. So only you have to just log in. You click on this and on three dots and directly say Facebook. So you can directly share on the Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest or WhatsApp also. Or you can download the media and you can upload to whatever choice of your social media platform. Or you can copy the text, or you can copy the HTML. I can paste it to your sites and other details also. So this is how all the media assets are shared here. So you have to go through that, whichever media you want to share it, we will be storing it here only. So you can share this particular thing. Especially for DVR data recovery also it is mentioned here. So same way you can share it all these details from here. Now let me go to the payments. Now how you will get your payments also, that all the payment details are stored here, like whatever amount is paid to you will be shown here. Amount pending, if any amount is pending for payment will be shown here. Due in 15 days will be shown here. And the last payment, minimum payment due is 1000, because bank doesn't permit us to pay for a smaller amount. So this minimum amount payout will be 1000 above, and all the details records will be stored here. Now we'll go to the setting. Please put your name here, your phone number, your website, your Instagram ID, Twitter ID, YouTube, and directly you can share it on YouTube or this kind of thing. Once you have this kind of a thing, we'll directly share it from your marketing tools. Your referral code, here I would suggest to use, instead of this particular thing, use your last 5 digit of mobile number. That will be easy for us to remember and maintain this particular thing. That will be your choice. You can choose anything, whatever you want. It should be unique to this particular thing, and just save it. So this is your unique referral code, whichever people will visit will be tracking by this particular URL. They'll be going to our site, but this will be tracked by that who has displayed this ad and the people has clicked, and who, because of your ad, the people had come to our site. So this is how you will be generating a business. Here for payment settings, you have to update your bank details so that we can transfer. Here you have to say your account type is savings or check, current account or savings account, account name, account number, branch code and SWIFT code. You have to type SWIFT code or IFSC code, you have to put it, so that we can directly credit to your account whatever amount is there. And if you got any those who are into hardcore Facebook marketing, do you know what is Facebook pixel? You can put a pixel here for tracking purpose. So this is important. Do the settings here, you put all these details here, and do update your bank details so that any referral is generated, your amount will be credited directly to your account. And the final option is log out. So here what I had shown you, the home, like all the details are on the home page is there, your commission structures, how many referrals and other things are there, how you are getting your business on, through which media you are getting, that you will come to know. Then marketing tools are there for all the videos or the whatever the assets are there, that you can directly share on Facebook, Twitter or LinkedIn ID also. Payment details and settings, and finally log out. Thank you very much. If you had understood, if you are not understood, please call back or email us or WhatsApp us. We will definitely guide you and to help you out to grow